Ipswich was founded in 1634 by John Winthrop the Younger, son of the founder of Boston and Massachusetts' first governor, John Winthrop. Today, it is a residential suburb of Boston with a strong tourist industry well known for its clams. During the age of clipper ship trade in the 19th century, the lucrative business bypassed Ipswich in favor of deep water ports in Newburyport, Salem, and Boston. Ipswich remained mostly a fishing and farming village, and as a result, old houses were not torn down for new stock. Ipswich has nearly 60 so-called first-period homes built in the 17th and early 18th centuries, more than any other town in America. The John Whipple House was built in 1677 and has been open to the public as a museum since 1899. Built in 1764, Choate Bridge is one of the oldest surviving bridges in North America. In 1838, the single-lane bridge was widened to 2 lanes. Ipswich is home to the famous Clam Box restaurant, as well as a distillery, a meadery, and 2 breweries. Appleton Farms is on land granted to Samuel Appleton in 1638 by the town of Ipswich. It is one of the oldest continuously operating farms in America. The farm store sells flowers, baked goods, cheeses, and milk from their cows. The farm itself is closed to dogs, but there is an extensive system of trails available behind the main farm, including Pigeon Hill, with what I consider the best views of the farm. There are 2 large properties in Ipswich owned by the trustees of reservations, the Crane Estate and Appleton Farms. The Trustees of Reservation was founded by Charles Eliot, a pioneering landscape architect who in 1890 proposed a process for conservation of scenic beauty in the same way that the Boston Public Library held books and the Museum of Fine Arts held pictures. In 1891, Massachusetts enacted legislation creating the Trustees of Reservation, the world's first land trust, predating the National Trust in Britain by 4 years. Nathaniel Ward, an assistant pastor in Ipswich from 1634 to 1636, wrote the first code of laws for Massachusetts, later published in England as The Simple Cobbler of Agawam in America. Ipswich lace was the only handmade bobbin lace commercially made in the United States, made by local women in the 1700s and used to barter for goods. Ipswich is the site of what may be the last witch trial in the United States. Almost 200 years after the Salem witch trials, in 1878, a Christian Scientist woman accused a man of trying to harm her with his mesmeric mental powers. The Crane Estate is 2,100 acres that include Castle Hill, the Crane Wildlife Refuge, and Crane Beach. The English Stuart-style mansion was built in 1928 by Richard Crane, a Chicago plumbing magnate, but does not allow dogs. The adjacent beach, though, is open to dogs from October through March. like this video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.